Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious and simple oven-baked piri piri chicken. For this recipe, I used sweet paprika powder, smoked paprika powder, dried basil, salt, piri piri sauce, and deboned chicken thighs. So I'll be seasoning the cleaned and cut chicken thighs with salt, paprika powder, and dried basil. Mix it and make sure that all sides are well covered with the spices. Now add the piri piri sauce and mix it. You can let it sit for a few hours or even overnight, but you can also bake it straight away, which is what I did. Since we used a decent amount of spices, it will still be tasty. If you decide to give it a try, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I love seeing your recreations of the recipes. Bake it in a preheated oven of 220 Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on how thick or thin your chicken thighs are. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like this rosemary lemon chicken recipe or this sweet soy sauce chicken recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.